Hello, dear roommates and tutor. Uh, this is me, Pedro Julian, and I'm going to make this activity, Task 7, recording a video. And I'm going to start firstly with the dream phonetic transcription. Number 1. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with the adults around you by using language. By the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you had become a fluent native speaker. During those first few years of your life, you accumulate a wide range of knowledge about at least one language, probably with very little conceptual support. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that you discovered that it was not nearly as easy. Okay, and I'm going to make point number 2, minimal pairs. Sit, sit, desk, disk, wet, wait, but, bought, so, note, note, bad, bad, fast, first, desk, disk, very, very, buy, pie, thin, thing, life, arrive, catch, cut, see, she, fan, van, fat, hot, free, three, sink, think, with, which, page, pace, bad, budge, fast, past, came, game, to, do, back, back, am, and, hot, hot. Okay, so let's go number 3. Intonation, statements with one stress. I know, we laughed, it stopped. Statements with two stresses. Anna works, time flies, Lena is my daughter. Statements with three stresses. Peter doesn't live here. Lena wasn't invited. But are not verbs. Statements with four stresses. He wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. Special questions following intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Friendly interest, polynex raising intonation. Where are you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? General intonation, raising intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my kids? Are you ready to start? Request, raising intonation. Could you give me the pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind helping me? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Do you want a coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Chat questions, falling or raising intonation. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Commands, falling intonation. Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Request rising intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentences. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That's a lie. Direct address. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me? Enumerating, rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Responses. Certainly. Of course. You're welcome. Okay, parents and tutor, this is all for this activity. I hope your comments and your criteria, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you a lot.